I'm Addie reporting for Eagle News, and today my group is going to show you all how to make Christmas-themed cake pops.
Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and grease a 9-inch by 13-inch baking pan with cooking spray. In a large bowl, using a hand mixer, beat together butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Add vanilla and mix until combined.
In another large bowl, whisk together flour, baking powder, and salt. Add half of the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, beating until just combined. Pour in the milk and mix until fully incorporated. Add remaining dry ingredients and stir until just combined.
Pour into prepared pan and bake until a toothpick inserted into the middle of the cake comes out clean. Around 25 minutes. Let cool completely.
Meanwhile, make frosting. In a large bowl with a hand mixer, beat butter until fluffy. Add powdered sugar and beat until combined. Then add vanilla, heavy cream, and salt and beat until combined.
Crumble cooled cake into the frosting and stir until completely combined.
Form cake mixture into tablespoon-sized balls. Place on a tray and refrigerate until firm, about 1 hour.
In a deep-sided bowl, melt white chocolate and coconut oil in 30-second intervals until melted.
Dip the tip of a lollipop stick into the melted chocolate and then insert into chilled cake balls. This keeps the cake pop from falling off. Repeat with remaining cake pops.
Dip cake pops into melted chocolate and shake off excess chocolate and decorate with sprinkles. Place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet to dry.
Those cake pops sure look delicious. I'm Addie reporting for Eagle News.